Information about benefits and what you can claim for. So the different types of benefits then, there's UC, which stands for Universal Credit, ESA, Employment Support Allowance, DLA, Disability Living Allowance, PIP, Personal Independent Payment, which is going to replace DLA, there's the Blue Badge, and there's Carers Allowance. Universal Credit then, UC. Now this is a means tested benefit for people who have a low or no income and whose savings are below 16,000. It replaces these other benefits: child tax credit, working tax credit, housing benefit and income support, income related employment support allowance, ESA, and income related job seekers allowance. So let's look at employment and support allowance, your ESA. This is now broken into 3 sections: income related, the first section, the second section, contribution based, and the third section, which is a new style if you're entitled to universal credit. So to claim DLA, it's a non-diagnosis specific benefit. So having a diagnosis will not automatically lead to an award, but many children on the autistic spectrum do qualify for the benefit, and it's not means tested, so your income and savings are not taken into account. So for your DLA, Disability Living Allowance, this is awarded based on your mobility and care needs, and you can claim for a child until they're 16, unless you live in Northern Ireland. For adults 16 plus, this is ending and it's going to be replaced by PIP, Personal Independence Payment. So the PIP then, the Personal Independence Payment, you may be able to get help with some of the extra costs caused by long-term ill health or disability, and the amount you get depends on how your condition affects you, not the condition itself, and you will be assessed by a health professional to work out the level of help you're able to get. If you're disabled or you have a health condition that limits your mobility, or if you care for a child with similar conditions, you can apply for a blue badge. Certain criteria, you'll automatically qualify for a blue badge. Now, autistic people may suffer from factors such as anxiety or stress, and if you can demonstrate these incidents happen frequently as a direct result of their disability, you could argue they satisfy the criterion, but all inquiries are via your local authorities. For a carer's allowance, you need to be spending at least 35 hours a week caring for a severely disabled person or child. As well as having DLA, you may be able to claim for a carer's allowance. Benefits for older people, 65 plus. Now these change when you reach each of the 2 stages, state pension age and pension credit qualifying age. And then from these ages you could move to working age benefits, or there's also an attendance allowance, but as it's reviewed every 5 years, you need to check it out on the website. So benefit appeals and reconsiderations. If you think that a decision about your benefit is wrong, you have the right to challenge the decision. First to ask for a mandatory reconsideration, and then appealing to an independent appeal tribunal. There is a different system for Northern Ireland, but everything can be checked out on the website. Everything is explained online at www.gov.uk.